Hey there! Would you like to get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking plans? You are probably tired of looking through stacks and stacks of projects on woodworking in magazines and books of all kinds for some instructions on how to do a certain project. How would you like to have woodworking plans, actually thousands of them, available to you anytime you wanted them? It would be so easy when you do not have to paw through all kinds of old magazines but have it right there at your fingertips. Here is a review of Ted's Woodworking, which offers 16,000 plans. What is Ted's Woodworking? With Ted's Woodworking there are literally thousands of organized woodworking projects in a member's area, and all you have to do is get them off your computer anytime you want. There are thousands of plans, so decide which one you are going to tackle next. The choice is yours to make, so just click on the proper button for the specific project and then they are right there for you to pick one. The diagrams and instructions will be right there in the computer for you to access at any time, or if you prefer you can print them out. Woodworking projects, easy to follow. Many times a new person who is doing a woodworking project will not complete it, and it is not because they are not capable but that the instructions and the information they were given were not what they should have been. Ted's Woodworking will provide you with clear instructions which are easy to read and understand. The diagrams are easy to follow so that you will not have any trouble getting your project finished. All the directions for the project are written in a manner which will take you step by step, and you will be able to follow these instructions with not problems at all. The inexperienced woodworker and the very experienced person will be able to do these projects without any difficulty, as Ted's Woodworking plans are designed so that anyone will be able to follow the directions and have no problems understanding them. Each and every one of the thousands woodworking plans and projects which are available in Ted's Woodworking are so well written so that even if you've never tried woodworking before, or if you have two left hands, you would find woodworking a breeze. Is Ted's Woodworking worth the money? An absolute yes. Each and every day there are reports about people who have actually completed some of the projects included in the Ted's Woodworking package. You can join 3,763 plus, and counting, other hobbyists, beginners, craftsmen and professionals by letting Ted's Woodworking give you the blueprints, plans and step-by-step directions to create stunning, professional woodworking projects, effortlessly and on time. Take action now, because the offer for this is ending very soon. Ted will be selling all the plans and bonus independently in the future for $47 to $97 each in the weeks and months ahead. Lock yourself in for a deep discount now.